Hi, I'm Josh, and today I'm going to show you how to make beef pepper masala from scratch. Tender beef slices cooked in a hot peppery onion, coconut and tomato sauce with mixed peppers. As always, a full list of all ingredients is in the description below. Before I begin, please take a second to subscribe, like and click that notification bell. Thanks. I'm using some sliced bavette or flank steak for this recipe, but you can easily swap for sliced chicken breast or seafood. To begin, heat your pan on medium and then add in the vegetable oil, coconut oil and onions. Cook stirring frequently until the onions have softened and begun to caramelise. This should take around 5 to 10 minutes. Tip over the mustard seeds, garlic and ginger paste, stir through well and fry for around 30 seconds until the strong smell reduces, adding a little water if the mix looks too dry at any time. Add in the green and red peppers, sliced green chilies and tomato paste and stir through well. Add a little water if needed and allow to fry out for 30 to 60 seconds to reduce the bitterness of the tomato puree. Sprinkle over the fennel seeds, desiccated coconut, black pepper, paprika, turmeric, chili powder, salt, sugar and coconut milk powder, stirring in well. As before, if you need to add a little water to keep things moving, that's completely fine. Allow to fry for a few minutes until the oil starts to separate. Add in all of the hot water and stir through well. Reduce by half, then add the fresh sliced beef, stirring gently to coat well in the sauce. After a couple of minutes, stir in most of fresh chopped coriander, then allow to reduce further until the sauce reaches your desired consistency and your choice of protein is cooked through. Serve sprinkled with the remaining fresh coriander. Remember to check out this and many more recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.